What's happening, family? My name is DeQuarius Beverly, and thank you for tuning in to my unboxing review for the DualSense controller for the PlayStation 5. In this video, I'm going to showcase what you're actually going to expect when you purchase this individual accessory for your Sony PlayStation 5. Now, I must say, man, I'm really glad that I was able to purchase a system this year due to the fact I had been putting it off multiple times this year due to Sony sending me invites throughout the year and never just never getting around to actually purchasing one. But now that I actually finally got a chance to get one, I'm glad that I actually took the time to actually buy the second accessory, because I'm telling you guys, the hype is real when it comes to Sony's upgraded hardware. They definitely have a new updated system and an updated controller, and it's cool that the fact that the features that it provides with built-in microphone speakers, a highly responsive triggers, as well as Bluetooth compatibilities to play on PC, which is excellent for people who play online as well as playing on PC. You already have a built-in microphone compatibility to the controller itself. I like the way it feels, and I like the fact that it's not as small as the older controllers. It definitely has a much bigger, bulkier feel to the actual controller. Now, the only gripe that I did have with this particular accessory as I was unboxing it was just simply noticing that the fact that it did not come with a charger. And that's kind of strange, just due to the fact that you're already spending about 70 bucks for one of these controllers, and the fact that it does not come with any type of charger to charge. You're pretty much stuck with the standard charger that comes with your actual console. So I must say, I like the smoothness. I like how it plays, and I like the fact of the color itself. You know, the midnight black definitely adds that nostalgic feel for the PS2, PS3, and as well as the PS4. So I just had to go ahead and grab another controller for you, and I'm gonna also show you exactly, you know, the whole setup, how it responds and how it looks and plays on an actual game. Sony has definitely improved their department in the comfort level when using their controllers. I've known so many people, including myself, that always had a mixed review when it comes to their controllers due to the fact that they're just not as bulky enough for first-person shooters, and being that the fact that Sony has definitely improved their comfort level by adding a little bit more bulkiness to the controller definitely gives it a more better experience for the hardcore gamer who have bigger hands. Also have the in-game speaker included, which just gives it a nice touch and feel for the immersive of your experience when playing games. I've always liked that with the DualShock 4, and just being able to hear in-game content in your controller is just a really cool experience all the way around. Also, another thing that I like is the fact that they do have the in-game mic, which allows you to be able to mute and unmute and chat with your friends with the actual controller. So it's really cool that they already included that. You're not having to rush out and buy you a new headset. But for those of you that want to be able to quickly chat and say something to your friends, is a great way that they added that addition to the actual controller. So much that I'm really learning about my system, considering that I've just gotten in a few days, and I'm definitely really excited the fact that I'm actually able to share some more of this content related to the Sony system to you guys, because I know how difficult it is to find one right now. Now, I did showcase a video where I shared different tips and strategies on how you can be able to pick up your Sony system, being that I was fortunate enough to actually get an invite 4 times this year of 2021. I actually got the invite from Sony directly to buy a system for retail price. So if you want to learn more on how I was able to do that, check out my other video, as well as check out my other video in detail of my unboxing review for the Sony's PlayStation 5. It must make me feel like I'm a little bit biased, because the fact, again, I've been saying nothing but positive reviews for the system so far, but I'm really just to say, guys, I mean, the system definitely is worth the value. It's definitely worth the hype. Just looking at the gameplay, I mean, it's just a whole new experience for me, because again, not having to worry about playing games at 30 frames per second is really cool. All of the games natively are going to start at a minimum of 60 frames per second, and just seeing how well, you know, the controller has improved, as well as just adding another responsiveness to be able to chat with your friends without having to buy a mic right off the bat. It's just cool all the way around. And just the fact that, again, there's so many things I'm still discovering with. So if you want to learn more content related to the Sony's product line, then definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I'm still discovering and learning learning new tips and tricks on what you can be able to do with your PlayStation 5. Now, again, if you enjoyed this video and you're liking more related content with gaming advice as far as what I've been able to experience with my PlayStation, definitely subscribe to the channel, as I will be sharing more related content on the product line with Sony. What are your thoughts with the PlayStation 5? Are you actually enjoying the new update with the new DualSense controller? Let's talk about it and hang out about it in the comments below. And again, my name is DeQuarius Beverly. Thank you for tuning into my video, and check out my other following videos as well. See you guys soon in the next one. Peace.